starting to get breezy. There's a storm rolling in today. Okay, this is gonna be my crazy hive. Boy, it feels good to be getting ready for winter though. Take that super off to quit confusing them. These guys are straight up gonna give me honey to harvest this year. Yeah, these are certainly my feistiest bees, most productive. I wonder if that goes hand in hand. Okay. No beetles, that's great. Oh my goodness. Mostly built out. Crazy honey, crazy honey, crazy honey, crazy honey, crazy honey. Mostly built out. Halfway built out. Halfway built out. Bro, these guys are crazy. I don't even want to mess with them. Yeah, sorry. You're not going to get to see. I'll give you a little taste. Let's see if you can see them. All right. Do you see them in there? Working so hard. Oh, I see them working so hard. Yeah, so that's the honey super so far. I don't even care really what's happening down there. So we'll just peek, just to peek. But I don't think I'm gonna inspect it. What's to inspect, you know? Baller hive, doing baller stuff. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Get out of here, fly. Oh, what a great inspection that was. Oh no, I'm supposed to steal resources. So, yeah, okay. Let me do the old swaparooski here. That's the front. That's the front. And now we're gonna find out which one looks good for the picking. I'm gonna start with I kind of want to start with one of the lower ones, because that would be the brood. This one's just probably gonna be mostly honey. But when I say mostly honey, I mean mostly honey. Wow. Okay. Wow. Let's look for the queen. Really sure, because they have brood and honey on here. So it's really actually a great one to push over. This side is like only honey. So this one's really pretty. Tons of larvae. Oh, come here. Let me see if I can show you guys. So you can see all that larva in there. And on this side, it's just full of honey and it's capped at the top. So I think this is our frame that we're gonna steal as soon as I triple check that there are no queens on here. And I guess I'll get that off of there. I will get that later. Whoa. Okay, I guess I'm done with that. I don't see my queen. I'll keep looking here in a second. Okay, empty frame. I don't remember which. I think I took from the bottom last time, yeah. So we'll just shove them all back together. Are you supposed to squish the side of the box? Probably not, but what else are you gonna do? If you know, let me know, but I like to squish them together so they make the frame good. Okay, time to saddle up here. All right, go away so you don't get squished. Because obviously some people have gotten squished before. Okay. Got that beautiful queen separator. Queen excluder, whatever you wanna call it. Beautiful honey, potentially. All right, shoe fly. Obviously it's not a fly, but that's the same. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, I feel like I'm in a really good spot here. Now we just gotta go take these bees over to the other